taking over Miami. Gazing down from the billboards, looking cool. They're here to promote public art. It won't stop until the message has gotten through. And it warms my heart to see all these punks are running free all over Miami right now. Oh, there is Lucky Dan, he's my punk, and oh goddamn, oh, the gun show is in town. Look out, Lucky Dan. Look out for the gun, Lucky Dan. My crypto punk. Well, the punks are having a moment, and I'd be lying if I said I didn't miss a little bit of the good old days when it felt like they were our little secret. But it warms my heart to see all these punks are running free all over Miami right now. Oh, there's Lucky Dan, he's my punk, and oh goddamn, oh, the gun show's in town. Better watch out, Lucky Dan. Look out for the gun, Lucky Dan. My crypto punk, my crypto punk. Nobody could have predicted just what the punks have become. It was almost 4 whole years ago that I wrote my first crypto punk song with other crypto punks. No two are the same, yeah, they're the crypto punks living on the Ethereum blockchain, but they will never change. And it warms my heart to see all these punks are running free all over Miami right now. Oh, there is Lucky Dan, he's my punk, and oh goddamn, oh, the gun show is in town. Better watch out, look out, Lucky Dan. Look out for the gun, oh, Florida man. My crypto punk, look out, Lucky Dan. Look out for the gun, look out for Florida man. My crypto punk, my